A decade of dedication, a decade of growth, a decade of excellence. From 2015 to 2025, Weitu Hongda has journeyed through a remarkable decade of progress. From focusing on UPS systems to expanding into new energy, from serving China to reaching the world, we've grown with innovation, integrity, and the strength of Chinese manufacturing. 10 years of persistence, 10 years of achievement. We honor our past and embrace the future. Weitu Hongda 10th anniversary, powering the next chapter. In August 2015, Shenzhen Weitu Hongda Industrial Company Limited was officially registered and established. In 2016, Weitu Hongda participated in the communication engineering project of the disaster prevention system for the Chengdu-Guizhou high-speed railway. In May 2017, Weitu Hongda was awarded the contract for the communication equipment supply project of the Yinchuan-Xi'an high-speed railway, providing high-quality power supplies and supporting equipment for the railway communication system. In 2018, the company participated in the communication engineering project for the disaster prevention system of the Shanghai Kunming high-speed railway. In August 2019, the office located in Longgang, Shenzhen was officially opened, achieving a dual upgrade in both office environment and corporate image. In October 2019, the company won the bid for the power system integration project of the Hungary-Serbia Railway, marking an important milestone in its expansion into overseas markets. In October 2019, the company won the bid for the air conditioning equipment project on the Yinchuan-Xi'an high-speed railway, responsible for equipment supply and system integration. In June 2020, the company won the bid for the UPS power supply integration project of the Lijiang-Shangri-La Railway communication system. In September 2020, the company secured the bid for the communication and power system integration project of the China-Laos Railway, deploying a highly reliable UPS power supply system to ensure secure and efficient railway communication operations. In March 2021, Weitu New Energy Division was established to comprehensively develop and manufacture new energy products. Since its official establishment in 2021, Weitu New Energy has rapidly risen to prominence in the energy sector with its outstanding capabilities. Within just a few years, the company has successfully secured dozens of UPS power supply projects both domestically and internationally. With its business spanning critical industries such as healthcare and transportation, it has earned widespread trust through stable and reliable products and system solutions. In May 2021, the company undertook the power supply equipment integration project for the Lijiang Snow Mountain Rail Transit Communication System, providing stable and efficient power support for the high-altitude railway's communication operations. In May 2022, the company established its overseas market division, initiating its international strategic layout. In May of the same year, Weitu New Energy relocated to Guiming District, Shenzhen, and inaugurated its new office and production base. With significant enhancements in research and development and manufacturing capabilities, the company has successfully supplied EPS power equipment exceeding 800 kV for major projects including the State Grid, Guangxi Kinzhou Semiconductor Project, and the U.S. Information Agency. These achievements demonstrate the company's technical prowess and brand influence in the high-end power system sector. In December 2022, the company was certified as a national high-tech enterprise, marking a new milestone in Weitu's technological innovation and specialized development. In 2023, the company continued to expand its expertise in railway communication power supply, successfully executing UPS equipment integration projects for the communication systems of the Chongqing Kunming, Baotou Incheon, and Lanzhou Zhangjiakou high-speed railways. These projects delivered highly reliable UPS uninterruptible power supply systems and interrated solutions to ensure uninterrupted service for the railway lines. In April 2023, Weitu Hongda was officially certified as a specialized, refined, unique, and innovative enterprise. In August, the company officially relocated to Shenzhen Banning Science Park, where its office environment and hardware facilities were comprehensively upgraded, injecting new vitality into the company's development. In December 2023, Weitu Hongda partnered with the first phase of Saudi Arabia's NEOM water supply project, contributing professional excellence to the construction of a global landmark. In May 2024, Weitu Hongda was awarded the contract for power supply equipment in the second phase of Saudi Arabia's NEOM water supply project, handling both equipment delivery and system integration. In October 2024, the company secured the power supply and integration project for Tianjin Metro Line 8, delivering high-quality power equipment and comprehensive technical support to ensure safe and efficient urban rail transit operations. In December, the company signed a cooperation agreement with the IPI chemical plant project in the Philippines to provide high-reliability power supply system solutions, further strengthening its overseas market presence. In September 2025, Weitu Hongda secured a top 10 ranking in the Transaction Peak competition, demonstrating strong competitiveness and brand influence at the Foreign Trade Procurement Festival. In the same month, Weitu Hongda established its first overseas subsidiary in Nigeria, marking the official launch of its global market expansion and the beginning of a new chapter in the company's internationalization journey. In December, the company secured a contract for the new UP UPS project at Oxagon Coast, marking another milestone in its global market expansion. Looking ahead to 2026, Weitu Hongda embraces change with a renewed vision. We will continue to advance in the field of new energy, driven by innovation, connected through service, accelerating the creation of a high-efficiency, intelligent, and sustainable energy ecosystem. Weitu Hongda will stand as a trusted international brand. A new journey, a new horizon, a new breakthrough. Together with our partners, Weitu Hongda moves forward with greater confidence and shared success.